Oh, look at that Supra. Nice box body. This thing is pretty sweet. We got this Z over here. This was a fan favorite from last video. Still has the louvers on the back of it. Next to this 3rd gen Prelude that I might pull some parts off of today. If I can get the hood open, I could grab some stuff off of this. Day, but Scarlet next to this old wagon, and I thought this thing was one of the sickest cars here. I think you guys can agree, but it still has a lot of good parts left on it. And last time I thought this thing had a 7M in it, but it was actually a 5M. So correction made, but yeah, literally everything still intact for the most part. This is a Sirocco. Yeah, this thing is super neat. Really cool old Volkswagen. What we got going on back here. And if you guys need any parts, CayushaParts.com. Check out CayushaParts.com.
You know what that is? That's a Chevy wagon, Nova 2 wagon.
Oh yeah?
Pretty sure.
Ooh, this is a really old Mazda. This thing's got a rotary in it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, look at that steering wheel. Oh man, that steering wheel is super, super sick. Looks like somebody took parts from this thing. I don't even know what this is. This is like one of the first Mazdas that hit the States. You got a badge on it? Nope, just a Mazda logo. Wonder if we can get this hood open and see the rotary under this thing. Ah! Wow. Oh, it opens this way. Oh, we can get it open. Oh, shoot. Sure enough, it's still in there. Oh, look at that Supra. I didn't even see this thing last time I was here. Holy crap. Wow. Oh my god, it's got the key. Celica Supra. This thing is beautiful. Can we get her open? I don't think we're gonna be able to get her open. Wow. Look at that. What is this? This is the 4ME. So this would have been, this is either a 1st or a 2nd gen Supra. I'm assuming 1st. Wow, that logo is really crazy. I wish I could get this thing open. I think it's locked, but still has the shift knob in it. Clean seats, clean steering wheel, clean dash. This thing is super, super cool. I did not see this thing last time, but this is an absolute gem. If you guys need parts for this thing, let me know. Absolutely beautiful car. I think this is another Star. Yep, this is another Starlet. So this is the 2nd known Starlet in here. Toyotas are something that I would like to get into in the future. We have here a Horizon. I think this might be a Dodge. Not sure. I honestly have no idea. Horizon. So here's another Datsun. Taillights and stuff. Let's see if we can get in her. I think we might have shown this one off last time, because I do remember. Yep, we did. But still a lot of good parts in this thing for anybody that needs them. Alright, so this is an old Subi. Couldn't tell you the name, but I got some buddies that like Subis, and this might be of interest, worth just taking a glimpse at. Doors open. I'm not gonna try to get over there. I think I called this the milkman truck last time. I think this is an old Volkswagen van. I'm not 100% sure. Yep, it's an old Volkswagen van. This thing is mangled beyond belief. An old Vega. I love the taillights on these old American cars. First gen Civic, if I'm not mistaken. An old Datsun. Very nice. I love the colors. The orange pinstriping. Oh, wow. Look at these door cards. They're honestly restorable. For the Subaru fans, this thing is sweet. 1600 four-wheel drive. Four-door wagon. Four-wheel drive. Very cool. I wonder what these have inside of them. This is a Cadet. Is this an Opel? An Opel Cadet, I believe this is. I think this is an Opel Cadet, which I know these are very popular in Europe. Interesting to see one here in a Midwestern junkyard. This is an old Datsun B210. Looks like it was involved in a I don't know, what would you call this? It looks like maybe they got smashed on this side and then this thing sat here long enough to fold itself in half, we'll call it. It was involved in some damage, we'll say the least. Could still be an engine in there. Alright, so this was worth some battery life. Piece. Custom paint job, flowers. This car reminds me a lot of my girlfriend, actually. She would really like this thing. This engine's gone. Tranny's still there. But yeah, this car really reminded me of my girlfriend, so I thought I'd throw it in here. She'd really like that. Rotary powered snowmobile. 7 coming up here on our right. Yep, right here. Tucked away. A little FB. Sad, but still kicking it. And then this should open up to, I believe there is a Toyota van here coming up soon. What is this? Oh, here it is. Okay, here's the Toyota van. And then this is where we want to be. But for miles and miles, not for miles and miles, probably for about a mile on each side of me currently is cars. And they're from anywhere from the 70s to the early 2000s. This thing is sweet. I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is a Pulsar. Okay, yeah, there's a red Pulsar back here. This one's really old. What is it? Second gen Prelude, yeah. Lots of good parts on this thing. What is this? What is this? Am I tripping? This is an Integra. Yeah, I was tripping. Oh, this thing's been molested, kind of. It's got hood pins in it. I wonder what's under the hood. Alright, so it's just stock, unfortunately. Continuing on. Check this out. Crashed FC. Bet you the rotary is still in there. Yep, it is. Man, that thing's got a heavy hood. Crashed FC. Looks like there's pretty much everything still here. This thing's sick. Corolla FX. Seats in here are sweet. Ah, come on. This thing is really nice. Very cool car. Here's the Pulsar. This window's broken. That window's broken. but yeah, this thing's overall not bad.